Okay, all of your audible voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Today's subject genetics. This is a genetics is a third unit. Okay. Okay. Now definition of genetics. Main I will tell genetics means genes. Main why discussing about the genetics topics means that genes sometimes the parents have to the genes that genes abnormally they'll growth into the particular body. That time what happened when our abnormal genes going like a chromosomal and whatever genes like related chromosomal abnormality developing, the gene same affecting to the offspring. Offspring means children. The same abnormal chromosomes affecting to the children. Children also will get to the some genetic disorder. That is the main meaning of the genetics. Here definition. See, genetics is defined as a branch of medical science. Because why that is a branch of medical science means genetics like identification of the related medically means how they have the genes and how they getting up the abnormal problem and how they increasing up the abnormal chromosome levels and how they getting up the genetic disorders. That only like a identification of the branch of medical science. Main here sciences is concerned with the transmission of characteristics of from parents to offspring. Concern means related to the transmission of characteristics of the from parents to offspring means how they getting of the genetic disorders parents to offspring means children. How they getting of the genetic problem, that main identification of the medical science. How they affecting of the particular children, which genetic disorders getting like Down syndrome, otherwise consanguinity disorders, some mental disorders, means nerves disorders, which disorders affecting to the parents to the children. Like this because why like that getting of genetic problem is because of chromosomal abnormalities. Otherwise in parents time they have the any problem is that problem main affecting to the children also. That's the main identification of the about genes in the medical science. That is a definition of genetics. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next genetics finish. Next genetic testing. How they doing of the genetic testing? Why purpose of doing of genetic testing? Here, genetic testing is a type of medical test. This also one of the test is a medical type of test and that identifies changes in chromosomes, genes or proteins. Any changes of the means in genes why doing of the genetics means in genes any changes means you can identify the any changes of the chromosomes and genes and proteins, whatever changes in the particular person that you can identify the genetics. Why doing like this means because of children's also getting of sometimes genetic disorders. That's why first why they're getting is because of parents have the same like that problem. That's why the children's have are not just you can identifying of the changes are not you can identify the particular person like a chromosomes, genes, proteins. This under changing are not just you can identify in the in genetic test. And after genetic test finish means result. That result of a genetic test can confirm or rule out a suspected genetic condition. After a testing finish means you will get the result. What test means can confirm and rule out of. Confirm is particular genetic condition or not. Otherwise suspected or not. Means suspected means it can't confirm to the particular condition. Just suspected means just imagination. Oh, okay, this problem we have. Like the suspected cases also have and confirmed problem also have. Just after genetic test, you can result will get to the suspected genetic condition or confirm to the particular genetic condition. Or help determine. This genetic test main help determine means identification. Help identification a person chance of developing or passing on a genetic disorder. So many people will get to the passing to the genetic disorders means genes wise means hereditary wise, otherwise parents to children they will get to the some genetic problem, they will pass and developing sometimes chance get to the developing of genetic disorders in the some family members. That's why main if you want to identify of the any changes of the chromosomes, genes, proteins that related, you can check to the genetic test. Once why the test made after finishing means what main result means this is a suspected genetic condition or confirmed. And this genetic test doing time it can helpful to the determine of the chance of developing of fast on a genetic disorder. This genetic disorder developing or otherwise this genetic disorder passing to the any person. Like that immediately you can observe, you can identification of the in genetic testing time. That is a main genetic testing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next, congenital anomalies. See, congenital anomaly means abnormalities. In congenital abnormalities means mean sometimes you have sometimes people have to the abnormalities. Example, spina bifida, mental retardation, cleft palate, cleft lip. Means cleft lip means that lips and nose attaching to the means like a congested attaching. That is a cleft lip. Anybody know club foot?
Yes, ma'am.
Clubfoot don't know. Yeah, club foot means like a leg foot is the same, but there that foot is in a your in this normal person foots like a straight. But club foot means like that foot is like a one side sides means different, not a straight sides only like a by butt onwards like that only they have to the problem. Means it congenital means diseases, that is a physical abnormalities or mental abnormalities. Anomalies means abnormalities. Congenital anomalies means abnormal diseases. Now we'll discuss definitions. See, what is congenital anomaly? What is congenital malformation? Mal means abnormal. Congenital malformation means abnormal diseases. And congenital anomaly means this is a diseases abnormal. See here, first one, congenital anomaly means it includes all biochemical, structural, and functional disorders present at birth. Like whoever affecting of congenital anomalies means main this affecting to the at birth time only. Why means in main includes all biochemical means whatever chemical reaction showing into the genes means that whatever some peoples will take up the chemical reaction showing in the body na, that chemicals total exposing to the genes. That time automatic genes will abnormal cell growth into the genetic like a mutation genes. That time what happened? Automatic biochemical reactions and structural means abnormal structural and functional disorders means totally abnormal functional have within the particular person. Because of this is a congenital anomaly like a who have the abnormal disorders, that type biochemical reactions abnormal, structural abnormal, and functionals also total abnormal into the body. That's why you'll get to the at present birth time only you will get the congenital anomalies. You seen at birth present at the birth time you seen some people's malnutrition, undernutrition, spina bifida, clubfoot, cleft palate, mental retardation. Like this, so many people in our birth time only because of biochemical, structural, and functional abnormalities because of genes affecting to the particular babies also. That is a congenital anomaly. Here, congenital malformation means it will include only the structural defect. Only structural defect means structural problem only present at birth. After birth means they will start up the some mental problems. See, differentiation of the congenital anomaly means biochemically and structurally and functionally they will get to the problem in the at present time. That is a congenital anomaly. Congenital malformation means only structural problem only affecting on the present birth time. That is a differentiation of the congenital anomaly, congenital malformation. Next, incidence. How much rate means in worldwide, India, I means worldwide, state-wise, and India-wise, how much percent affecting of the about genetic disorders and about congenital anomalies. Here, global incidence. Global incidence means worldwide. Global means worldwide, how many people's affecting of the congenital anomaly means about 30 to 70 people's by 100 live birth means whoever 100 peoples in the live birth in that 1,000 people's life, but in that 1,000 people's only affecting of the congenital anomaly 30 to 70%. See example in worldwide 1,000 people's in the live birth. In that time, whoever live birth in 1,000 members, in the 1,000 only they have the congenital anomaly only 30 to 70 people's only they have to the some congenital anomalies. That is a worldwide incidence. And India wise 2.5 to 4% have to the congenital anomalies in India wise. And next to most common type of birth defects. What type of main common? Example, common disorders what see. Common conditions, hypertension, diabetes, anemia, bronchial asthma, bronchitis. Like some normal conditions how na like this also in congenital anomalies. So like a most common type of birth defect. In birth time only they defecting of the some problems. What that problem is CNS. What is CNS?
Central nervous system.
Yeah, good. Central nervous system abnormalities, total related brain problems means some anencephaly, encephaly, hydrocephaly, like this. So many CNS problem have. Central nervous system means related nervous abnormalities disorders will get to the 22% into the particular incidence. Mean this is a CN is a common type of birth defect in type 22%. That is a incidence. Next, risk factors. How risk factors main, how they getting up the main genetic and congenital anomalies means advanced maternal age. See, when some people will get the advanced maternal age means what is meaning of advanced maternal age?
Before pregnancy.
Yeah, advanced maternal age means like a before pregnancy, and some people immediately they'll get married means in early age time also. Like this, sometimes whoever advanced maternal age before pregnancy, that time they will get to the Down syndrome. Down syndrome means abnormal chromosomes. Normal like 21 chromosomes. Above 21, they will get to the abnormal chromosomes in the advanced maternal age. That time what happened? Whatever in advanced maternal age, whatever getting of any Down syndrome, that problem affecting to the baby. When baby birth, that time they'll get to the 46 chromosomes. Because of why means here advanced maternal age now, that time they have the any chromosome, because of chromosomal abnormalities have particular, because of that is a before advanced means pregnancy, before pregnancy age. Means normal age they will get pregnancy means it's okay, no problem. Some people will get the early marriages, that people that have no function properly in the uterus. That's it. Sometimes we'll get to the Down syndrome, like a chromosomal abnormalities. When our mother have chromosomal abnormalities, and same by birth, then the baby will get to the 46 chromosomes. That time what happened? Baby also will affecting of the genetic problem. And next to consanguinity. Anybody know consanguinity mean? I think so, don't know. See, consanguinity means relation marriages, means relatives marriages. See, in some family members, first generation married the same relative means it's okay. Second generation also sometimes okay. Third generation. Example, in case example, me. In case I'm married to the my mother relatives, anyone means already my mother married to the my relatives, my father only, but same me also getting married in relatives, same my mother relatives, that time my babies get to the some congenital problem. Some people's only because of whenever sexual intercourse time, that time some hormones and chromosomal they'll functioning in the abnormally. That time sometimes baby will affect of the abnormally. That's why consanguinity relative marriage is also one of the affecting to the congenital anomaly. That time some people will get the mental retardation. By birth only they'll get to the mental retardation, like mentally affecting, but not speaking like a normally, no activities normally, not properly not walking also, like a abnormal structure of the people. So like a mental totally mental retardation because of relative marriage also, like that get the some problems. And next to maternal malnutrition. Maternal malnutrition means in mother that time mothers not taking properly food, that means intake taking of lack of food in the mother, that time what happened, baby also will get the some problems. So that time what maternal malnutrition problem is iodine deficiency, means in that time no, in case not taking properly iodine levels, that time they will get to the iodine deficiency and folic acid deficiency, lack of the folic acid levels in the body, and CNS like a central nervous system defects. Like this have to the maternal malnutrition. Like this, whoever have the iodine deficiency, folic acid deficiency, CNS, like this any affecting deficiency problem is automatic that mothers will get the malnutrition. That is a risk factors. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, causes of congenital anomalies. Why getting up the congenital anomalies means why getting up the biochemical, structural, functional disorders to the particular persons. But here, first one, genetic factors such as a chromosomal abnormalities and mutant genes. In genetic factor, this one of the main causes is the congenital anomalies, genetic factors. By genes only they will get to the abnormal problem like the chromosomal abnormalities and mutant genes. Mutant genes is extend, means excessive chromosomes mean receiving to the parents. That babies or any persons in family main excessive chromosomes, excessive abnormal genes receiving to the parents. That is a mutant genes. Whenever receiving of the abnormally to the parents means that time they will affecting of the congenital anomalies. And second one, environmental factors. Why environmental factors affecting of the congenital anomalies? Example, the mother had German measles. In early pregnancy will cause abnormality in the embryo. In mother had the German measles means total affecting of the measles to the that mother have to the measles. That early in pregnancy time only, whoever pregnant in that early pregnancy time have to the German measles means that will cause abnormally will affect of the embryo. Embryo means inside of the fetus growing now. That fetus growing time, fetus also called as embryo. That time baby also will affecting of the some virus problem to the in birth time. Because of why means mother already have to the some German problems in the early pregnancy time. Once that also affecting to the baby. That is the environmental factors. And third one, combined means genetic factors and environmental, two factors combined like a multi-factor. Multi means more factors. Here main more factor means only two, genetic, environmental factors combining and affecting to the congenital anomalies. And next, diagnostic approaches. How to you can identification of the congenital anomalies to the particular persons. Here, prenatal diagnosis, postnatal diagnosis. Prenatal means before pregnancy, and postnatal means after pregnancy. Here, now we'll discuss diagnosis, prenatal diagnosis. Amniocentesis at 14 to 16 weeks means in mother pregnancy time, in that pregnant time 14 to 16 weeks immediately you can check to the amniocentesis. Amniocentesis means in case amniotic fluid very less in the pregnant time, that time baby also will get the abnormality. Because of why means the fluid total supporting to the and total protecting to the baby. Once amniotic fluid total less, mean amniotic fluid like a normal 2500 ml. In below 2500 ml amniotic fluid is the pregnant time, that time baby will get to the abnormalities problem. That's why you can check to the amniocentesis in 14 to 16 weeks, means how much amniotic fluid is there. In case less fluid means that's why the baby will getting up the some problems. Like that you can identification of the amniotic fluid. And see here purpose CY means chromosomal abnormalities and inborn errors of metabolism. Inborn errors of metabolism in by birth only they will go to the some errors like in birth time they will get the inborn abnormalities. Like sometimes chromosomal abnormalities also they will affecting of the congenital anomalies. Why congenital anomalies and why chromosomal abnormalities have the particular congenital anomaly person means because of amniotic fluid also one of the reason get to the congenital anomalies. And next, chorionic villi sampling, CVS. This chorionic villi sampling means this main we can remove of the chorionic in the placenta, because of means the placenta total accumulation with accumulation of the any proper Means like a chorionic means chorionic is one of the part of the placenta. That mean chorionic protect into the and placenta and blood vessels also protect it. 1 minute. Class icons. Okay, chorionic village sampling means like this one of the test when doing means prenatal test. In before pregnancy only you can do the this test. Means you can take up this sample of chorionic villi is removed from the placenta. In placenta only having of the chorionic you can remove. Why remove means because in before pregnancy only that abnormality and abnormal blood vessels functioning into the placenta. That's why just we can remove up the chorionic villi into the placenta and you can do the test of the particular what have the cervix problem, otherwise any abdominal wall areas problem. Immediately you can observe in the chorionic villi sampling. These topics in detail will come in second unit. And the chorionic villi sampling also means cytogenic study. Means any cell means abnormal cell growth, otherwise any genes problem. Totally you can study in the chorionic villi sampling, like a cytogenic study, study of the cells and genes. And next, maternal serum alpha fetoprotein and gonadotropin. Gonadotropin is this one of the hormone. That mother's time they have alpha protein levels or not. In this protein levels main important in the producing of embryo time, because of protein where energy giving to the embryo growing and developing. That's why maternal that mother time they have or not protein levels, how the functioning of the hormones. Total you can do the one of the maternal serum alpha fetoprotein test. How much proteins levels having into the particular time and particular baby means particular embryo time. And in main also here main maternal serum alpha fetoprotein purpose neural tube defect and trisomy. Neural tube means nerves by birth only affecting of the nerves tube defects and means anencephaly, encephaly, hydrocephaly, spina bifida. Like this, so many problems will get the by birth. That's why you can observe to the maternal serum alpha protein. Protein levels one decrease means like this also will get the problem, and trisomy chromosomal problems like this also affecting into the sometimes. Next, amniography. Amniography means just you can x-ray, otherwise you can observe visualization of the uterine cavity, cervix, placenta. Means uterine cavity contraction or relaxation. And placenta means in placenta blood vessels, arteries, veins and blood circulation going or not to the baby. And this total cervix means relaxation and dilation or not of the cervix also you can observe in the amniography. And in amniography time also you can observe the soft tissue abnormalities. Any tissue abnormalities having are into the particular amniography you can observe. Amniography is like radiationally you can observe the uterine cavity, cervix and placenta. Next, fetoscopy. Fetoscope means visualization of the fetus. Means visualization of the fetus means because of why means the baby have any abnormalities, otherwise any respiration problem. Immediately they will at once by birth getting like this problem is immediately they will send to the NICU. What is NICU abbreviation? Hello.
Neonate integrate child unit.
Correct, but not
Care
child.
unit.
The
Care unit.
child means neonatal only. Neonatal
Care unit.
intensive care unit. Okay, good anyway. See, NICU means neonatal intensive care unit. Why means suddenly the baby have the any problem, immediately sent to the NICU, they will connect of the all things. Means here fetoscopy well-being of the fetus. Why doing of the fetoscopy also? The baby well-being or not. Otherwise, the fetus means not a baby fetus growing now. That well-being of the fetus or not, you can observe in the fetoscopy, like a visualization of the fetus. Next, protein assay means protein observation means the protein levels normal or not. Otherwise, protein have or not sufficiently have or not. You can observe totally observe to the protein assay. And DNA diagnosis. You know DNA diagnosis. Immediately, some people will do of the DNA diagnosis. And radiography. Radiography means visualization of total all body parts. And antenatal scanning. Antenatal means before pregnancy you can do the antenatal screening means in pregnancy time only you can do the screen, because why means that means in 5 months and 6 months time some babies affecting of the problem, otherwise baby head will turn up the up like this, any otherwise baby movements giving or not also immediately you can observe in the antenatal screening. Any means that time any maternal disease like any mother problems and metabolic problems, any endocrine functions abnormal or not, otherwise normal function or not, you can observe in the antenatal screening time. That is a prenatal, before pregnancy only you can do the diagnosis, this related diagnosis purpose. And next postnatal. After pregnancy you can do a postnatal means like after delivery, like here maternal and family history, you can take up the mother history and family history, means any problem have in your family member, it means any genetic problem, any normal physical problems and general condition, this and all you can take up the history to the maternal and family history. And physical examination, you know, normal doing of the physical examination head to foot. And biochemical assay means what type of chemical reaction showing into the body, means once chemical reaction showing the body means automatically will start of the abnormal chromosomes, that's you can observe in the totally biochemical assay. Means cytogenic study about the cells and genes. And blood test, that's a normal blood test. And hormonal assay, how their hormonal functioning, which hormonal releasing of the properly females, which hormone releasing of the males, like this normally releasing or otherwise normal function have or not, how much normal hormone levels have into the particular female and male also you can observe. And radiography. Radiography means in the visualization of the total uterine cavity and cervix, placenta, and total outline of the uterine, outline of the uterine cavity also you can observe in the radiography, like X-rays also. Next, USG. What is USG? Anyone buys?
Ultrasonography.
Yeah, good. Ultrasound xenography means why ultrasonography means this ultrasonography made in pregnant time means 7 months, otherwise 8 months, 9 months time will do, because of why means the baby like any abnormality, otherwise baby body movements are not, otherwise baby heart how that any problem and baby head turning or not, totally you can observe in the ultrasonography. Whatever immediately abnormalities is immediately you can identification of the ultrasonography. That's it. After means postnatal time also, after postnatal we can do the USG also. And here purpose early detection. Why this and all means early detection means early identification means early diagnosis. You can do the early diagnosis, because of why early diagnosis means this and all history taking means you can use the identification of the what main problem. That time you can early diagnose of the all related of the diagnosis. And appropriate management. After your identification of the diagnosis means you can provide the related diagnosis, you can provide the appropriate management. That is a postnatal diagnosis after natal. Please you can resign. 10 minutes, 10 minutes only you can resign.
Low attendance.